Yeah, been a little soggy recently. The month ends tomorrow, and I think we're going to stay dry between now and then. So kind of the final totals are in for the month, and definitely an above normal rainfall month for us.
So a lot of Mayflowers.
Is that how that goes?
April showers
bring Mayflowers. What do Mayflowers bring?
I don't know.
Pilgrims? There you go.
Is that what it is?
No, that's
the right
joke.
answer?
Yeah,
okay.
that is the joke.
I just guessed. I never heard that joke.
that's
Took me a minute.
That's the joke. All right, there we go. Let's talk about it. This month, you didn't learn that when you were like four years old, Jason?
First time I've heard that.
That's like one of the first jokes you learn as a toddler. All right, this month. This month, almost 6.5 inches of rain, above normal by well over 3 inches for the entire month. And this year, that puts us at 17 plus inches of rain. And for the year, we're above normal by almost 5.5 inches. I went back and did a little looking for us. And for the month, which remember, I don't think we're going to have any more rain between now and tomorrow. It's the 15th wettest April on record. I think one April we had like actually 17 inches of rain for the entire month. So it's been very rainy at times during the month of April. So it's only the 15th wettest April on record. But because of all the rain that we had earlier in the year, to date, it's the 10th wettest year on record. Of course, we have a lot of the year left to go. We'll see where we end up by the end of the year. But to date, the 10th wettest year on record, and we're going to add potentially another 2 to 3 inches for most of you between now and next weekend. Rain chances for most of you start again kind of Wednesday, maybe Wednesday night, and another round of potentially widespread rain as we head through the day on Thursday. Things are very green, not only on the campus of UNT in Denton, 82 degrees, but also in Dallas Baptist University, where it's 84, but all across North Texas because of how much rainfall that we've had recently. Thankfully, it does look like we're going to dry out for a couple of days, so maybe all the mud across the area can dry. And also, some of the rivers and creeks and streams can kind of lower a little bit before we get our next round of rain. It does look like that 2 to 3 inches, maybe spread out over 4 or 5 days or so, but by the time we're looking back this upcoming Sunday, 2 to 3 inches has fallen. So hopefully it's not just all at once like we saw at times this weekend, and it leads to the flooding problems that we had in portions of North Texas over the weekend. We stay dry tonight. The dry line gets a little active during the afternoon and evening tomorrow. A storm or two may try and sneak into far western North Texas, but likely fizzle out as it moves into the area. Little rain, potentially scattered rain possible on Wednesday. During the day on Thursday as well. Basically, starting Wednesday through this upcoming weekend, it's just messy. I mean, it's not going to rain all day long every single day, but at some point during the day, there will likely be rain somewhere in North Texas. You can see it's just kind of on and off showers Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday as well. So some days they'll feature better coverage than others. Right now, my highest coverage is on Thursday. We'll monitor the other days for potentially what those coverages end up being as we get closer. Severe weather threat across western North Texas tomorrow. On Wednesday, not impossible for maybe a storm or two with a little wind and hail. But that's when things get messy like this, it tends to lower the severe weather threat just a little bit. It doesn't completely go away, but it does lower the threat just a little bit. But it is spring, so we could easily have some storms with some hail and wind. We'll just kind of take each day at a time. Light winds and muggy tonight. There actually could be a little patchy fog first thing tomorrow morning, but I don't see a repeat of this morning. Warm, dry, and breezy tomorrow, 86 for the high. 84 Wednesday, 81 Thursday, 80 Friday, 80s for the upcoming weekend, 80s for that first full week of May as well. Maybe even hitting 90 this not this Wednesday, but the next Wednesday. And there could be some rain around once again as we head into Mother's Day weekend. We'll keep an eye on that as we get closer as well.
All right.